Thanks everyone. I am Anita Pandey from class 50. Today we will present a quantum on discipline. So let's start. Good morning students. How you all are? Is anyone absent? Everyone is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sit down. Let's take attendance. Roll number 1, 2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
4,
Yes, ma'am.
5,
Yes, ma'am.
6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Good, ma'am.
8. Yes, come in. Why are you late?
I'm getting late. Sorry, ma'am.
Don't come late from now. Go and sit on your knees.
My mother is not bad.
If you will be late from now, then see what I will do with you. Go and sit on your knees.
My parent is come late. That is why I'm late.
It's not my fault that your parents come late. Go and sit like that. Okay, children, let's start the class. Can anyone tell me what was in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
About good manners.
Anyone else?
Display.
Tell me some magical words.
Thank you, sorry, and excuse me.
Okay, sit. Do you know what we are discussing about today?
No, ma'am.
We are discussing about discipline. What is discipline? Anyone, Rishabh?
Discipline is the most important in student life.
Okay, very good. Anyone else? Yes, Gaurav?
By this we maintain discipline and able to success in future.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Do you know about indiscipline? Look at these daily students. These are example of indiscipline. Why are they indisciplined? Anyone? Yes, Gaurav?
Because they came late.
Okay, very good. Oh. Yes? I'm having some question to ask on discipline. Okay, come here and ask. Children, you must listen this carefully. Later on, I will ask you some questions. Number 2, all the teachers test on discipline. Discipline is most important thing in students' life. Multi-much can be accomplished without discipline. It is because of unexpectation. They don't know how to do confirmation. This incite them to be indisciplined.
Ma'am, the discipline is so much important.
Discipline is so much important and no one can achieve academic brilliance without discipline.
Ma'am, how can students manage their free time?
Students, only a discipline is that students can manage their free time. They utilize their free time in studies and only that makes him brilliant in all subjects.
Oh, I see. How can students manage their free time? Thank you.
Okay. Children, did you understand this conversation?
Yes.
Did you all understand? Okay, go and take your place. Okay, children, what did you understand by this conversation? Anyone? Yes, Sarthak?
Discipline is the way by which we put our mind in our under control.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Anyone else? Yes, Divya?
Discipline is that way students not got their success in their life.
Okay, very good. Discipline is very important in our life. I hope you all understand the importance of discipline. As you all know, discipline is very important and useful in our life, so we should follow discipline. Thank you.